Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that 1 over sine s, that is about cosecant of s. And now we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to the s, dv we have cosecant of s ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to negative ln of the absolute value of cosecant of s plus cotan s. So we have u multiplied by v, and I will put the bounds from 0 to b over 2. Minus, we have the u multiplied by v, negative and negative in here. We have positive, and now we have the integration from 0 to b over 2. Ln of the absolute value of cosecant of s plus cotan s ds. Next, I will put b over 2 and number 0 cone here. So if we calculate about this one, you got 0. And we know that the value of this integration, that's about 2c. See that in this situation, that's about Catalan constant. Or we can write about 3 in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.